Okay, next we are going to show arm draping. So the way that I was taught was to bring the blanket up first in a square shape like this so that the chest stays covered. And then we're going to bring the arm near the edge of the table, reach under the sheet and grab the wrist, pull the arm out, and there you go. Just like that, one clean move. And to bring it back, you bring the arm up, keep the sheet close to the body, and then just tuck the arm back under, and then grab here, pull the blanket across, and then fix it again. Make sure that the sheet and blanket aren't right on the throat, because that can be uncomfortable for people. Again, on this side, we take the blanket, we pin the sheet down while we pull the blanket in the opposite direction in a square. Bring the arm over, reach under, grab the wrist, pull it out and around, and there it is. And then you can just work on the arm. To return, we grab right here on the elbow, grab the sheet, keep it close to the body, pull the blanket across. When you pull the blanket across, make sure you're not pulling here on the chest or near the danger zone, and then straighten the sheet back out. Another way that we can do it is to fold the blanket and the sheet up like this, and then just bring the arm out like that, and then bring it back in like that to cover the side of the body. And then you can just retuck that. That's a simple way to do it. Some other therapists will fold the sheet and blanket this way, and then just bring the arm out. I'm going to tuck this in the armpit, and then bring it along the side there. So several different options for how you can do that. Again, we're going to just tuck that. Okay, and that's the arms.